Here, even Anushka has come.
Anushka, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Even Anushka was supposed to come here. What's going on, Prabhakar?
Sudhanshu, we need the transaction details of Hira Sanyal, Ashok Gandhi, Rajiv Joshi, Gurdayal Singh, Ranveer Singh Kundu, and Deepak Sahai. Investments, overseas deals, everything.
Yes, and we need your details too.
My transaction.
So that others don't think that we are biased. That's it.
But why?
You know, Sudhanshu, actually one of them cheated Reddy Corporation in this airline deal. And I don't want all this to happen in front of KK. And it will affect his relationship with these people. Hence I'm trying to solve it at my level. That's it.
But those people you are probing against, they are very powerful. Your move can backfire. Having said that, I don't care at all. You will get the details.
Thank you, Sudhanshu.
Thank you, Prabhakar.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
You know, Mr. Sweetie, that's the problem with honest people.
What? What's the problem?
I'm sure that my dad is holding himself responsible for the failure of the airline deal. I'm sure about it. He has stopped going to the office.
As far as I know your dad, it is not his fault at all.
Exactly. He is not understanding what you have understood.
I will make him understand then.
How will you do that?
Yes. That's a valid question. How is it possible?
Look at this. Sudhanshu Nanda, Hira Sanyal, Ashok Gandhi, Rajiv Joshi, and Krishnakant Reddy. The first letters of their names form a word, shark.
Shark.
I think one of them has made a deal with Mr. Goyal for sure.
Why would KK cause his own loss?
You're going in the right direction. How many are left? 4. We need to get all the details of them.
Yes. There must be a transaction record. If anyone has received money, the culprit will be exposed.
Here you're wrong, Mr. Sweetie. Everyone must be investigating this angle. We need to find the 5th angle of this square.
But there are only 4 angles in a square, Siddhant. How will you find the 5th angle?
They are sharp, Mr. Sweetie. They are very smart.
So then,
It's not going to be easy to expose them. That I'm sure. It seems we need to get to the bottom of this case.
sir, would you like to have some tea? Would you like to have lassi?
No.
I'll just call you back. Hey, Mr. Sharma, what brings you here?
I am waiting, Khurana.
Wait. But who are you waiting for?
I have to wait.
He is waiting for Siddhant.
How dare does Siddhant make somebody like you wait? Mr. Sharma, you please come with me.
First check whether he is free or not.
I'll make him free forcibly if he is not free. You please come with me. Come, Mr. Sharma. Please have a seat. Don't you have any manners? Did you make Mr. Sharma Wait outside your cabin?
Sorry, sir. There was a personal matter of an IAS officer.
Mr. Sharma is no less than an IAS officer. He works as a vigilance officer for the income tax department. His work will be done first. Do you understand? Mr. Sharma, you please sit. I'll send coffee for you.
Thank you. What is this?
You didn't even respect me. I bailed you out from this case and you have forgotten me. This is not done, Mr. Sharma.
Come to the point.
I want the complete details of all the transactions in the past 3 months, which were above 50 crores.
I hope you are aware that leaking information is a huge crime these days. I can lose my job too.
I have just bailed you out from this case now. If you get arrested, then, along with your job, you'll lose your respect too. Won't it cost you a lot?
Are you blackmailing me?
You can name it whatever you feel like. I just want the information. You can put in all the details in the pen drive. Mr. Sweeter will come and collect it from you.
After all this is done, we are even.
Of course. Absolutely.
Thank you.
You seem to be working hard today. Good night, brother.
Listen. Please help me. I have to decode a lot of data.
I have to go to college in the morning.
Help me. What's with this attitude?
What will I get in return?
You are talking like a businesswoman. You are a Brahmin's daughter. Keep seeking knowledge. Come on, you'll gain knowledge if you help me.
What do I have to do?
This is a sales purchase list of some people. Identify the entries whose dealings are above 50 crores.
50 crores? That's a lot of money, you see.
And listen, give special attention to Mr. Goel's transactions. This one.
Brother? Mr. Mehta has gifted a helicopter to his wife. And Dad won't even buy a scooter for me.
Our country is not as poor as we think. Come on, focus on your work now.
Brother, Mr. Goel sold a diamond worth rupees 50 crores.
Show to me. What made Mr. Goel sell a diamond all of a sudden?
है तुझसे वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू मिले